Hey everyone, my name's Jayani. I'm a makeup artist from London and I'm here today at Iconic HQ to talk you through a brand new product launch. These are the Instant Sunshine Bronzing Drops and I'm so excited to tell you all about them. What I absolutely love about this product, it is totally customizable. You can mix the Sunshine Bronzing Drops with the Underglow Blurring Primer. So I'm going to take half a pump of the Instant Sunshine and mix it with 1 drop of the Underglow primer. Gorgeous, look at that. I just wanted to show you to start off with, you can always start with half a pump. That is all you need and look how gorgeous and glowy that is. Mixing it with the Underglow just gives you the most gorgeous, sheer, bronzy look. You can work on the levels of bronziness. So I'm going to show you now what 1 full pump of the Instant Sunshine and 1 drop of Underglow looks like. Let's mix and then I'm going to apply these on my skin. So first of all, like I said, you can customize these bronzing drops for as little or as much of a bronzed glow as you'd like. And I'm just going to apply these and they instantly feel super soothing, and just look how gorgeous and bronzy that looks on my skin. I love it. So as you can see, this is a lot more intense, but I love a glow. Just look at that, wow. Another way you can incorporate the Instant Sunshine Bronzing Drops into your skin routine is you can also mix it in with your base. I'm going to take my Super Smoother Blurring Tint and I'm going to mix it with my drops. So here's how. First of all, we are going to try half a pump of the bronzing drop and 1 full drop of Super Smoother. Now I'm just going to show you how this will look. I'm mixing them in together. I'm also going to compare this 3 times along my jaw so you can see the difference. Then I'm going to take the bronzing drops again and do 1 full pump and 1 full drop of the Super Smoother. Increase the number of pumps for a more golden sun-kissed tint. You can see that is slightly more dewy and glowy. Let's swatch this and compare. You can see that the colour's a little bit darker by adding 1 full pump of the bronzing drops. And just look at that gorgeous, gorgeous sheen. You can see the difference between the skin tint. It just gives you a little bit more coverage in comparison to the bronzing drops and the blurring primer. Can you see the difference? I'm going to add 2 pumps. Just remember that the more pumps, the more golden, the more sun-kissed look that you will achieve. I'm going to take my skin tint and do 1 full drop. Let's mix. This is going to be so gorgeous. That is definitely a lot bronzier. Wow. How gorgeous is that? It just gets better. Pro tip from me, and this is like a little red carpet secret that I love to do on clients, but to get a bronzed glow all year round, the best thing you can do is take the bronzing drops, take a large fluffy brush and just apply on the décolletage. You can go all the way down the chest, also do the shoulders, and you can even mix this with your body moisturizer and pop it on your legs. It's absolutely divine. And that is it from me, darlings. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more amazing Iconic London launches.